In this video we're going to be looking at the sensitivity of the Socket See EPF Pro and compare it to the historic unit, the Socket See EPF 20. I'm using one of the units that was returned from British Gas. To see how they operate, you've got to have an appreciation of how they work. So whenever you're measuring a voltage, you must have a reference point. And in this case, the reference is to the mass of earth through me, the user, and it's through capacitive coupling. So one capacitor is my hand on the device. It's actually the batteries inside the unit that I'm coupled to, and then the mass of earth through my feet. So in this experiment, we're using a variac that's mains powered and a transformer, and we'll see when the tester operates. So I'll switch on and we get the heartbeat. If I put it on one of these connections and then wind up the voltage, at that point I operate. So if I then take a 10 meg multimeter to the test point, we are on 54.5 volts. The upgrade to the EPF Pro was because the EPF 20 operated with a 9 volt battery, and as I said before, you're capacitively coupled to the battery. The 9 volt cell is in the bottom of the unit, so if you were holding the cell, holding the tester up towards the finger guard, you wouldn't be coupled as well to the battery. Also with the EPF Pro, the signal is amplified, so you get a consistent signal, whereas with the EPF 20 it was dependent on your grip. So if I hold tightly, I'll get an indication, and as I back off, that indication differs. So if I crank up the voltage so we can see that better,